Hello everyone. So today we are in this particular video we are going to talk about the 8 steps of marketing communication formula, uh, what it is and how we implement it. So for that I have taken one example of this landing page of 21-day digital marketing career Kickstarter challenge by Alpha Marketer. So let's get started. So the first step in the genius marketing formula is what does the hero need? So here the trigger is you have to make a compelling promise to your customer about their problem. So they have used this headline, learn digital marketing step by step, practice it and become a client and a job ready. So they are telling that in this particular course you will be able to learn digital marketing step by step practically, and at the end of this video you can get a client for yourself, and if you are looking someone who is looking for a job in digital marketing, you can get that. Now the second step is what are the problems faced by the hero. So here you have to use a trigger. So you have to introduce your customer to a problem which they are facing. So these are the problems which they have addressed, which their customers are facing. So the first problem is, do you have a doubt whether you can succeed in digital marketing? The next one is, are you confused about how to learn digital marketing? Then there's another one. Is it too much in free information about marketing confusing you? Are you worried about getting a marketing job and you think that your knowledge is not enough for that or to get a freelancer client? Or are you worried about the answers for the job interview questions? Are you worried about getting a high paying job or a client? How to become a freelance digital marketer? Are you worried about not being confident enough to start digital freelancing? So these are the problems which their customers are facing, and they have addressed these problems. Now the third step is the hero meets a guide who understands his problems and who is expert in solving the problem. So here the trigger is you need to introduce your customer to a solution with empathy and authority. So as you can see, so here they have introduced you to the solution they are providing and how your life will get changed. So now in the fourth step, the hero discovers the guide has successfully helped others with his or her advice and guidance. So here the trigger is demonstrate your product, how your product is going to solve the problem and show the proof how others using your product are getting the results. So they have used these testimonials as an example to show to their prospective customers who are in the doubt whether to go about this particular course or not. So these are few testimonials from the students who have enrolled previously into this particular course. So as you can see, So see, they are using these testimonials to show their authority that they are eligible enough to teach you and how your life will change after this particular course. So now the fifth step is the hero is reminded how your life is changed if the problem is solved with the help of a guide. So here the trigger is show the prospect life and status will change when the problem is getting solved. So what they are telling is after this particular course, you can become a brand. So by brand they mean is you can create your own website, generate leads, sell products. So and the second thing which you get is you can present yourself with the confidence. You will be able, you will learn how to prepare yourself in front of the client, and if you are preparing for the interview, you will get all the answers. And the last is you can get a high paying job, so you will be able to stand out from the competition and watch companies chasing you, and you will get a high paying job. So these are the three things which they are telling. If you enroll in this particular course, this is how your life will get changed after this particular course. Now the sixth step is the guide hands over a plan and calls the hero to take an action. So here incentivize prospect to take action by adding bonus and discounts followed by the step-by-step instructions to buy the product. So you can see here, so they have told each and every step. So here the first step is you join the challenge, get access to all the life-changing videos and lessons. Second step is practice what you learn. So all the videos which you are watching, you will be doing 5 practical tasks, and at the last you will be getting your money back. So this is a free course which they are providing, and if you do all the things properly, you will be getting your money at the end of this course. Also, they have shown the plan of action, like what will be the course of action in this particular course. So these are the things which you will be doing. Right way to learn digital marketing, how to influence people with your message, how to publish your first content, how to get Google introduction to Google Analytics, create lead magnet, create landing page, Facebook ad, Google ads, digital products, and lot more things. Now the seventh step is the guide reminds the negative consequences that the hero needs to face if the problem is not fixed. So here the trigger is remind how important is to fix this particular problem. So here they are telling what are the consequences or the problem their customer will face if they don't enroll in this particular course. So the first problem is you need to understand how much money you are losing in losing the job opportunities. You lose your precious time that you are investing in poor training and wrong advice. You have the third is you have potential job opportunities which you are losing because you are not able to present yourself confidently in the interviews. And the last one is lack of practical training and actionable advice in getting a digital marketing job and getting interview ready, which is already costing you a great deal. So these are the things which you will lose if you don't enroll in this particular course. Now the last step is the guide asks the hero to take an action, show how life will be once the desired result is achieved, and show how the life of people who have taken this action has changed. So here the trigger is clear promise how the prospect life and status will change once the problem is solved, and finally invite them to join this and other customers who have successfully solved their problems with your solution, and ask them to join this particular course. So here they have first tell what you will get when you join this particular course. So they are motivating their customer to join this particular course by telling that you will be getting life-changing video lessons, 1 year access to exclusive community, 1 year access to live coaching classes. And here they are asking their customer to take an action by telling them that this is a limited period offer and they are providing 25,000 course at just rupees 7,999, and this course and this period limited offer is available for 3 days. And here is the call to action button which your customer has to press in order to enroll in this particular course. So these are the 8 steps which this alpha marketer has used in creating their landing page to get their prospective clients. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.